Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make any type of YouTube video in the easiest way using this platform called Pictory AI. So first of all, to start things off, Pictory AI was made for YouTube creators, because Pictory, as it says, uses the AI technology to give you one of the greatest things and elements to improve your video editing and video creation. Now, why do YouTubers actually love picking Pictory? So obviously, you can create a faceless YouTube channel, or you can edit videos of yourself of speaking into a camera. Pictory gives you all the solutions. You get a powerful AI assistant where you can do text to speech. You can do actual, copywriting. You have resizing, and it does not blur the video out. It does not kill the pixels. It has a media library of massive number of elements. There's so many things that you can work with. And then, you can get a text to speech AI with the right voice to give your faceless YouTube channel a big punch. Then it's PC and Mac compatible, so any compatibility works. You can, start from text, paste your scripts, and get a text to speech. You can get recorded videos of yourself. You get customized branding settings, and then you can preview, generate, and share different videos for yourself. So it's really fun to use this, and it's really fun to get your head around these types of features for yourself. Okay. So that's the general idea of using Pictory, and that is how you can create videos on YouTube with Pictory AI. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.